Day 27. Building a birdhouse. It's day 27. Time to build a cozy home for our feathered friends. Construct and decorate your own birdhouse, a perfect project for budding builders and nature lovers. Building a birdhouse is a rewarding and educational activity that encourages creativity, craftsmanship, and a love for nature. This project provides a perfect opportunity for families to work together and learn about the importance of providing habitats for local wildlife. Step 1. Gather materials. Basic supplies. Wooden birdhouse kit, available at craft stores, or pre-cut wooden pieces. Sandpaper, wood glue, nails and hammer. Paints and paintbrushes, screwdriver and screws, if using a kit with screws. Decorations, stickers, markers, or stencils. Optional, sealant to protect the birdhouse from weather. Step 2. Prepare your workspace. Set up a safe area. Choose a flat surface, like a workbench or a sturdy table, to set up your workspace. Lay down newspaper or a drop cloth to protect the surface from paint and glue. Step 3. Assemble the birdhouse. Sand the edges. Use sandpaper to smooth any rough edges on the wooden pieces. This will make assembly easier and safer. Follow instructions. If using a birdhouse kit, follow the included instructions for assembly. Typically, this involves gluing and nailing or screwing the pieces together. If using pre-cut wooden pieces, assemble the walls, floor, and roof of the birdhouse. Use wood glue and nails or screws to secure the pieces. Step 4. Decorate the birdhouse. Plan your design. Decide on a color scheme and design for your birdhouse. You can paint it to blend in with the natural environment or make it bright and colorful. Paint the birdhouse. Use outdoor safe paint to decorate the birdhouse. Apply at least 2 coats for better coverage. Let the paint dry completely between coats. Add decorations. Use stickers, markers, or stencils to add extra designs or patterns. Be creative and personalize your birdhouse. Step 5. Protect the birdhouse. Optional. Apply sealant. If you want to protect the birdhouse from the elements, apply a coat of outdoor sealant once the paint is dry. This will help the birdhouse last longer. Step 6. Install the birdhouse. Choose a location. Find a suitable spot to install your birdhouse. Consider placing it in a tree, on a post, or attached to a fence. Make sure the location is safe from predators and gets enough shade and protection from the elements. Mount the birdhouse. Use screws or sturdy hooks to attach the birdhouse securely in its chosen location. Ensure it's stable and won't fall. Step 7. Observe and enjoy. Watch for birds. Keep an eye on your birdhouse and see if any birds take up residence. Be patient, as it might take some time for birds to discover their new home. Document your visitors. Keep a journal or take photos of the birds that visit your birdhouse. Note the species and any interesting behaviors. And as always, stay safe and good luck. Time for Day 27 Riddle. I provide a home, but I'm not a house. Birds come to me for shelter. What am I? Hint: you made me give birds a place to live. You got 30 seconds to solve. The answer is a birdhouse. You got it. Thank you for participating. We are back tomorrow with another exciting challenge. This activity is free to participate in, but if you wish to support us, consider purchasing any of our many affordable items from our Amazon store. Thank you for your participation.